Q with you, but more than anything, get better, okay, Brenton? Anytime, my friend. If you know, buddy, if there's anything at all I could do for you to help you, please let me know. My best to your great son and Samantha. My heart goes out to you. Okay, Victor Kilo 3 Charlie Mike, the best of 73s. God bless you and yours, buddy, from Kilo 7 Hotel November.
73 Larry, 73s, and 73s from Samantha as well. CPL VK3, VK3, Nice to meet you. It's good.
73 Colin, 73 Brent. That is the coolest thing ever. Oh my gosh, this is Kilo 7 Hotel November. I'm QRT. Thanks, guys. That's... Cheers, Brent. You get better, mate. Kilo 7 Hotel November, QRT, and thanks to you, Colin. Bye-bye, guys.